We're going to go over the best plug and play hot tubs on the market right now. And we're going to work backwards, so make sure you stick around to the end for number one. Okay, so number three is the Sienna Valley Spa's Supreme 6-person plug and play hot tub. Now, this hot tub is currently selling for $4,699, which is a great price from a reliable brand. You know, you can't walk into many of these dealers without spending $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 for a hot tub. So to get one for $4,700, great deal. And if you see a good price on one of these hot tubs, make sure to pull the trigger on it because the prices are constantly fluctuating. All right, so this one has 21 adjustable jets. It's 110 volt plug and play with the option to convert to standard. So this is a great option to always have, right? You can not only get it delivered, have it at your house and plug it in, start using it right away, but you have the option to convert it and hardwire it, which means that yes, you would be spending money to hire an electrician, but your jets will be more powerful and your heating time will be much quicker. So that's something to keep in mind down the road. If you don't like the power of the jets or you want a more therapeutic hydrotherapy experience, you can hardwire it. Now, it does fit 6 people comfortably. There's lounger seats to really stretch out. There is LED lighting. It has 4 cup holders, a cascading waterfall. It includes a cover to put on it and keep the water warm for longer, meaning you spend less money on electricity. It is 6.5 feet wide by 6.5 feet deep, so it's a good size. All right, now the downside is there's no ozonator with this hot tub. And if you don't know what an ozonator is it's simply a device that shoots ozone into your water and helps clean it, keeps your water cleaner for longer and allows you to spend less money on using chemicals, and it has less chemicals in your water. So having an ozonator is always beneficial, but this particular one does not have it. Now, it is made in the USA. There is a 2-year parts warranty, 90-day labor warranty, a lifetime shell warranty, okay? And there is a 5-week delivery time. So that's a decent delivery time. You know, these hot tubs are in Amazon Prime where you get it, you order it today and it's delivered in 2 days, 3 days, or even 5 days. They're usually weeks out, okay? So let's go over number 2 hot tub, plug and play hot tub on the market right now is the LifeSmart Spa's LS450D X. Now, this one is currently selling for $3,643. Also a great price from a reliable brand name. You can't get much for $3,600 nowadays. So to get something with these many features that we're going to talk about is pretty incredible. Now, it is 110 volt plug and play, no option to convert to standard. So it's always going to be plug and play, which is fine if you want a plug and play hot tub. If you want that, if you don't want to convert it in the future. Okay. There is 22 adjustable jets. It fits 7 people. There's open seating with no lounger. It includes a thermal locking cover. It's 6 3/4 feet long by 6 3/4 feet wide. All right, so it's still it's not a small hot tub by any means. There is a waterfall, ozonator, LED lighting, USA made, 5-week delivery time, a 5-year shell warranty, 1-year parts warranty, and a 1-year labor warranty. So overall, a great option. And the number one best bang for your buck is the Aquarest Daydream 3500. All right, you're going to get the most with your money from this hot tub. It's currently selling for $4,580, plug and play, 120 volt, or you can convert it to be hardwired with the option. Now wait to hear what you get with this, everything that you get. All right, 35 adjustable jets. So if you want a more relaxing therapeutic experience, more jets will always be better for you. Fits 7 people, so you can have a good group over, or it could just be you and another person and stretch out comfortably. There is an ozonator, so you're going to spend less money on chemicals over time. Waterfall, LED lighting, cover with cover lift, steps included with storage. So you can put your towels in there. You can put, anything you want in that storage, because most of these hot tubs don't come with steps. That's an added, $200 for steps. There is 8 cup holders included, pillowed headrests, and a built-in cooler. So pretty cool. You're always going to have cold drinks either for summer days, or if you just like a cold drink in the middle of winter too, that's fine. Now this is 82 inches wide by 82 inches deep, almost 7 feet by 7 feet. By far the biggest of all these. It's USA made, 90-day labor warranty, 1-year parts warranty, a 5-year shell warranty, and a 5-week delivery time. Okay, so if you see a good deal on one of these hot tubs, make sure to pull the trigger on one, because the prices, like I said before, they're always going up and down. If you see a good price, you see a good delivery time, get it. And I will leave a link to all of these hot tubs in the description below for you to check out and learn more about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to check the videos at the top, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.